Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today we are going to talk about headphone disconnect setting to Vivo phone. Where you want to disconnect this headphone to your phone, so where you can disconnect it. In this video I will show you how to disconnect. So let's see how to disconnect. First of all, open your phone setting. Click on Bluetooth and devices. Let's click on Bluetooth. So you can see this board circle I have connected in my Vivo phone. I want to disconnect, so you can see this icon setting. Tap here, then guys you can see disconnect option. So guys click press on disconnect option, then it will disconnect, and guys now we will off it. So I think friends you have understood how to disconnect headphone to Vivo phone in our phone to our phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.